warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. A very good morning to you all, dear students. Welcome to my online class. Today I am going to discuss Unit 7, Lesson 1. The topic name is Zainal Abidin, the Great Artist. Zainal Abidin, the Great Artist. The class is for class 10 students. Before going to discuss, let me introduce myself first. This is Muhammad Rahmatullah Rifat, Assistant Teacher of English, South Opera High School, Ravzan, Chattogram. Okay, let me discuss. Take a look. I have written the word, the topic, Zainal Abidin, the Great Artist. Zainal Abidin, the Great Artist. We know about the Zainal Abidin by reading about his life. Okay, today we will discuss about some basic features of his life, who is Zainal Abidin, and about his life. Okay, come to the basics. Firstly, take a look. The pioneer of Bangladeshi modern art, Zainal Abidin, is widely acclaimed for his Bengal family sketches, which is very important line for the students, especially for the question answer. Take a look. The pioneer of Bangladeshi modern art, Zainal Abidin, is widely acclaimed for his Bengal family sketches. Now, the questions might be coming in your exams, like who is widely acclaimed for his Bengal family sketches, or what do you know about the family sketches? What do you know about family sketches? There is the most important questions. Then you can write the answers. The pioneer of Bangladeshi modern art, Zainal Abidin, is acclaimed for his Bengal family sketches. Okay, next line. He made his own ink by burning charcoal and used cheap ordinary packing paper for sketches. How the question might be coming in your exams, like how did he make his sketching? Okay, how did he make his ordinary packing paper for sketching? Then you can write your answers like he made his own ink by burning charcoal and used cheap ordinary packing paper for sketching. Okay, using the ink and applying the brush where necessary, he produced the drawings and sketches. He produced the sketches and drawing, which later became iconic images of human suffering. Firstly, in the very first of his life, he used the ink and applying the brush, where he produced the art, or where he produced the sketch. Later it has become iconic images for the human suffering, which is very important for the multiple choice. Now, I would like to discuss some information of Zainal Abidin, which is important to know the students. Firstly, take a look. Come to the point. When he was a high school student, when Zainal Abidin was a high school student, he developed a knack for drawing and painting. Secondly, he graduated with the first position in first class in 1938. Why did he was graduated? He graduated with the first position in first class in 1938. Okay, there is another information about Zainal Abidin. He graduated with the first position in first class in 1938. Then he was appointed a teacher of the art school. Why he was appointed? He was appointed as a teacher of the art school. Why is it? While he was still a student. While he was still a student, he was appointed as a teacher of the art school. come to the next line. He also attended the Slade School of Arts, London during 1951 to 52. That is the more important informations about Jainuddin. He also attended the Slade School of Arts, London during 1951 to 1952. Okay. Now come to the line. Next line. Jainuddin is considered the founding father of Bangladesh art. Founding father of Bangladesh art. Here is a question: who is the founding father of Bangladesh art? Then you have to write the answer like Jainuddin was or is considered the founding father of Bangladeshi art. Okay. Come to the next line. Another information: he was an artist. He was an artist of outstanding talent and earned international reputation. He earned international reputation by by using sketches. That's more important. Okay. Come to the next. He is referred to as Shilpacharya. What do you know about Shilpacharya? Okay. Take a look. He is referred to as Shilpacharya or great teacher of arts in Bangladesh. Who is the great teacher? Who is the great teacher of arts in Bangladesh? Jainuddin is a great teacher. Is a great teacher of arts in Bangladesh, and he is known as referred to as a Shilpacharya. Okay. Number 8. He was the first principal. He was the first principal of the first art school in Dhaka. He was the first principal of the first art school in Dhaka when in East Pakistan. Now Bangladesh. When is East Pakistan. Okay. The final line. He organized the Navalno exhibition in 1969. Who organized the Navalno exhibition in 1969? Jainuddin organized the Navalno exhibition in 1969. Okay. Here in my today's class, students will be able to know that about Jainuddin, the great artist, and about the why he is widely acclaimed for Bengal feminist sketches. Then next question is, what do you know about the feminist sketches? Then how did he prepare for his sketches to use as for his arts? And why did he graduate? Why he was appointed as a teacher in the art school in Dhaka? Who is the founding father of the art? Who is the founding father of Bangladeshi art? That set of information students will be able to know from this class. Okay, the class is up to here. Next class I will discuss the rest of the information and more information about Jainuddin. The class is up to here. Stay safe and stay safe. Have a good day. Thank you all. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.